Today it's 24 July, Friday 2024. I recommend everyone not to come out from the home in Dunfermline because today it's very windy. 24 July, Friday afternoon 3 p.m. It's very windy in our Dunfermline. I recommend everyone not to come out from the home because of this wind. We might feel uncomfortable. So I recommend everyone to stay in the home in this July month because of huge winds in our Dunfermline in Scotland. Otherwise, our Scotland and Dunfermline is the most beautiful place in the whole world. Long live Scotland! This is the beauty of our Scotland. Weather condition can change at any time in the Scotland. It may be sunny or rainy or cold or hot in the same day. Especially 24th July, Friday 2026. Now it's 3 p.m. It's huge, cool and windy weather. So I recommend every student and everyone to stay in the home. If you want to bring any grocery, go out on Sunday. Har Har Mahadev, long live Scotland. The most beautiful place in the planet. Most beautiful place on the earth. This is the Dunfermline, Scotland. Heaven. We are living on heaven. Heaven on the earth. I'm ready. Long live Scotland. I'm honored to live in Scotland. Proud to be in Scotland. We need to be thankful to God because we are living in Scotland. Long live Scotland.